Hello, welcome friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Amtech. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Windows 7 on VMware 15.5 version. As here in this system, I have installed VMware, as you can see, Workstation 15.5 Pro. Now let's go to the tutorial. Now, for installing a Windows 7, you firstly have to click on create a virtual machine as click here. Now this pop-up wizard will come. You have to select typical recommend create a 15.5x virtual machine in few easy steps as it is recommended by me. I am going to show you and press next and then next. I have already selected Windows 7. Next, here I will choose a location for storing my Windows 7 files. I go to this PC, D drive, software. Here I have make folder Windows 7. Then next, then next. Now customize hardware. Now select the ISO image file of Windows. I have stored in my server softwares OS Windows 7 64-bit. As I'm going to install Windows 7 64-bit, then press close and finish. As you can see here, a Windows 7 x64 means 64-bit machine is present, and now I'm going to power on this virtual machine. Now full screen of this machine. Windows loading files. Setup is starting. And now you will see here install video. I accept the license terms. Press next. Drive options. Then press next. And the window will install. As you can see, the files are totally installed. Now it is going to install updates. Updates options also completed. Now I have to press restart now. Restarting Windows again. Setup is updating registry settings. Setup is now starting services. Setup is checking video performance. And now as you can see, Windows 7 is already installed. And you have to give a username to your Windows 7 operating system. Here I am giving it will user user 1 user 1 PC. Next, if you want to give any password to your operating system, then you can type here. Either you can leave it blank. Use recommended settings. Windows is finalizing your settings. Now it is a welcome screen. As you can see, now your operating system is installed. Here I'm going to add some desktop icons. Now go to personalized, click on check icons, choose the desktop icons whichever you want. Choose these icons, plus apply, OK, then close this. Now your Windows 7 is already installed. Thank you very much. Thank you all for watching my first video. Thank you all once again. I'm expecting valuable comments from you all. Thank you.